Huntington Beach, California, epic or fail? Keep watching to find out where we ate, stayed, and played, and see whether we gave this adventure an epic thumbs up or a fail. Our adventure started with our hotel. So in our quest for a relaxing weekend at Huntington Beach, California, we were looking for a hotel that would accommodate us being able to do everything right from the hotel and not having to get out and drive because we're only here for the weekend. So Kimpton Shore is actually really checking all those boxes because we're so close to everything. We also wanted something that wasn't too expensive.
So with our Amex Platinum card, certain hotels, I guess higher end hotels,
they're luxury hotels that you can get. There's several rewards. We were able to get our hotel pretty inexpensively comparatively because we have the Amex Platinum card and we booked it through Amex, and so we got we got an amount off just right off the top for that, and then we got several different amenities and perks.
One of the things they give you is a $100 credit for on-site activities at the hotel, which can include food and different things like that. You also get priority check-in, so you can check in early and you can check in late. Check out late. They also give you upgrades. You get special little things in your room. It's just like an experience. They also, in some of the locations, give you breakfast for two on top of your on-site credit. And it makes it super fun. So we got a hotel room that's close to everything, that is reasonably priced and has lots of little perks to make it a fun weekend. And things you wouldn't normally maybe do or get because it makes it affordable enough to do it.
The Kimpton Shorebreak Hotel in Huntington Beach is renowned for its distinctive surfer theme, creating an immersive and laid-back atmosphere that perfectly captures the spirit of Southern California's surf culture. The hotel's design pays homage to the local surf scene, incorporating elements that resonate with both seasoned surfers and those looking to experience the beach lifestyle.
I found a potty trick.
Let's go check out our room. So the Kimpton Shorebreak is really cool. It's kind of got a really cool vibe. It's not like the fancy vibe like some of the Kimptons. It's more of like a beachy kind of retro vibe to it. So when you come in the room, let's check this out. Come in, you can see kind of the retro kind of colors. Look at this right here. This is so cute. You actually have a little cooler in your room with some that you can put ice in. We've got the record player, and they have a place where you can go and check out various records and look through all the record collection. Maybe we should put on a little music. We've got the little bar here with some snacks that you can pay $5,000 for. Actually, they're not quite that much. They're only $8 for this pack of peanuts. Kevin, you better not eat any peanuts in here. We got the fridge. We've got some drinks in the fridge as well, which are, again, off limits. We've got place to put your clothes, a nice bed. Outside, we have our very own little...
They got a movie up on the wall.
No, this is quite the happening place. There are parties going on all over the place. So very different vibe from the Kimpton that we stayed at in Denver, where it was more bougie-like. This is more party atmosphere. I'm gonna show you the most amazing thing. You hear how quiet it is in here? And then I want you to just follow me to the balcony. And now it's so loud. And yet, when I come back in here, noise, 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 noise. Quiet. It's amazing. These are some heavy-duty walls here at the Kimpton Shorebreak. Nice big bathroom with a huge walk-in shower. And what's even better is that we're right across the road from Huntington Beach. So we're gonna get to spend some good beach time, go to the pier, check out some of the surfers. And what we noticed driving in, because it's a little bit later since we flew in later, is that there are already up and down the beach, there are bonfires going and beach fires, and they have pits all along the beach where if you get there early enough, you can get a pit and you can have a fire on the beach. We're gonna go get some dinner. So they also have a really nice restaurant here called the Pacific Hideaway that had one of the best hamburgers that I think we've ever had. Has a really cool vibe, really cool beachy vibe. We were able to sit outside, enjoy dinner. We got some guacamole to start out our meal. Then we shared the hamburger, which was fantastic, delicious, really smoky flavor. We had a really great dinner. The people next to us that were eating at the table next to us actually were local folks and said that they come to the restaurant to eat just because it has really good food. So 5 out of 5 stars for the restaurant. One really cool thing they have here is a pop-up bar. So we're in the pop-up bar right now. Obviously it's not open, but it opens from 5 to 10 every night, and the theme right now is skiing.
So the interesting thing about this is it's also 80s themed skiing. So Eric, get out your skis, buddy, that we bought you for Christmas.
Don't mind me, I'm just looking at the drink menu. You even get to see snow.
Yes, they blow snow out every night.
Known for their amenities, Kimpton Shorebreak offers a fully equipped fitness center that goes above and beyond what you would typically expect to see.
So we're in the gym, and I'm thinking, if there was a couch in here, I would love this place. I mean, look at the chains. I'm not even sure what you do with that, but that's a bad boy right there. And the cool thing is the gym actually has a climbing wall in here. I mean, this is a serious gym right here. This is no fooling around. They got good stuff.
Not much to grab my toes in there.
Stacy Benson for the world record.
I don't think I'd be a good climber.
No, me either.
I can't get any higher. I thought I could go so much higher than you, for sure.
There's just nothing for your feet to grab onto.
Oh.
Down, down, down.
Basically, we just have to walk on the steps, the ones that are like steps.
Oh, wait, let's see if I can do that. Here.
Okay, well.
It's still super hard. Whew, that's really hard.
So this hotel is actually so accommodating to dogs. I've seen more dogs here than I've ever seen in a hotel ever before. And obviously they don't just have to be service dogs, because I haven't seen a service dog vest on any of the dogs actually that we've seen, and I've probably seen 15, maybe 18 dogs since we've been at the hotel, so pretty neat.
It's so fun to see all the puppers. The only bad part is that I miss Coda because he couldn't come with us this time. There's like a bad mystery disease going around right now in Georgia and several other states that's really contagious for dogs, so we're keeping him very contained right now so that we make sure that he doesn't get sick. So the little courtyard out here has fires at night, and they even have s'mores.
Early the next morning, we headed out to the pier.
So we're on the pier right now, and our hotel room, right there, it's green behind me right across the street.
So the cool thing about Huntington Beach Pier is it's actually one of the largest piers in the United States. And if you look over behind my shoulder here, you'll see there's a bunch of shacks for the lifeguards. And I don't know if you watched the 90s show Baywatch, but I'm thinking that I'm probably going to apply for a job while I'm here. And maybe Stacy can get me running down the beach with my shirt on. Maybe not.
So when you come out here, make sure that you take the time to go out on the pier and watch the surfers. They're really good surfers. Not quite like the East Coast. Not trying to diss on East Coast surfers, but I just have seen some fancy stuff. I'm really impressed by how nice the beach is.
So obviously they must, you can see where there's a little track going down through here, so they obviously have machines that clean the beach all the time. But for being in an area that's so populated and for having so many hotels and everything, and having such a large portion of beach, it's really very, very clean. I can see some debris coming out of the ocean up near the edge, but I'm really surprised how clean this looks.
Super clean, really large. You've got areas for playing volleyball and all kinds of stuff. There's a nice huge walkway that you can ride bikes to, and at the Kimpton Shorebreak you can actually get the bikes from the hotel along with all of your surfboards, any kind of beach equipment, as well as your like umbrella, lawn chair, all of those kinds of things for the beach. So you don't have to worry about bringing any of that if you're staying at the Kimpton Shorebreak, and you're so close that you can just valet park and not even get in your car again, because everything is right there. You can walk to the shops, all of the things. So it's a really super good location. And the beaches compared to
huge.
Yeah, compared to the East Coast.
Yeah, they're probably 3 to 4 times wider, the depth going in from the water, than on the East Coast.
Also, we're out at about 6:15 this morning, and there are already surfers in the water. I'm really excited to watch some surfing.
And it's a balmy 53 degrees out.
Huntington Beach is the place to go.
After we visited the pier, we found a really great little place for breakfast. We ordered the Gringo Burrito, which came with scrambled eggs, Monterey Jack, avocados, crispy breakfast potatoes, and salsa. It was delicious.
So we're going for a relaxing vibe for our weekend at Huntington Beach, California, in Huntington Beach, California. So at the Kimpton Shorebreak Hotel, we actually could get spa services right in our room. So we're starting out our day with a couples massage in our hotel room. Never done that before. So we're getting ready for our massage, our in-room massage, and I am so excited. It's a beautiful day. We've gotten a great walk-in, and now we're about to get a perfect relaxation massage in our room.
That may be one of the best massages I've ever had.
Give it a big thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
That was epic.
All right, we're headed out here on the bike path, which is a really nice bike path, and this is a great people watching place. Lots of interesting things to see.
Yes, very
So let's go.
After our bike ride, we went to a little restaurant right across the street from our hotel and had some fantastic food. It smelled so good walking down the street, and we got a burrito bowl that was absolutely delicious and some great nachos. Now, we had a really great view as well, and you just have to look closely to see the cat that was strapped in front of the lady who is walking. I've never seen that before.
Now, just like a block over from the hotel is all of the shopping. So we're gonna check out some shops. There's a great walking trail right across from the Kimpton Shorebreak that goes on for miles and miles and follows the beach line.
Yeah, and it's nice, it's paved. You can bike, you can hike, you can walk.
The last part of our day included an epic sunset, so the verdict is in. Our Huntington Beach, California weekend was epic and gets 2 thumbs up. Sometimes you find the most enjoyment in the little things, like a sunset, walk on the beach, smiles over food, and just spending time together. So get out there, be free, and create memories that will last a lifetime. For more videos like this, you can click on any one of our playlists. Make sure you check out our other California adventures. You can also check out our itinerary and the places we played, stayed, and ate at our website, www.befreebenson.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next adventure.